Have you ever walked into a room and instantly felt tired or anxious for no obvious reason? It's not just in your head. Your home might be draining your energy literally. Today on Natural Earth Living, we're diving into how your space affects your well-being and 7 powerful natural ways to flip the switch and recharge your energy fast. Our homes are supposed to be our sanctuaries, but modern living can turn them into energetic dead zones. Researchers call it environmental fatigue, where clutter, toxins, noise, and even artificial light subtly wear down your nervous system. The symptoms? Brain fog, poor sleep, low motivation, constant fatigue. Let's talk solutions, natural ones. Here are 7 powerful fixes that can completely transform your space and your energy. 1. Clear the air naturally. Use air-purifying plants like peace lily, snake plant, and pothos. Simmer herbs like rosemary or eucalyptus to cleanse the space energetically and aromatically. 2. Ditch synthetic scents. Swap out air fresheners and candles for essential oil diffusers. Citrus, lavender, and cedarwood are amazing for mood and clarity. 3. Declutter 1 corner a day. Clutter equals chaos. Start small. 1 drawer, 1 shelf. Clean space equals clear mind. 4. Let natural light in. Sunlight resets your circadian rhythm and boosts serotonin. Open those blinds every morning, even on cloudy days. 5. Natural textures, natural vibes. Swap synthetics for cotton, wool, wood, and clay. These grounding materials subtly support your nervous system. 6. Digital detox zones. Create at least 1 room or corner with no screens. Fill it with books, herbs, or calming music. 7. Burnout be gone. Herbal smoke cleansing. Use ethically sourced herbs like rosemary, thyme, or mugwort to lightly smoke cleanse your space. Science shows certain plant smokes have antimicrobial and mood-enhancing effects. Your home should heal you, not drain you. Start with 1 change today and feel the shift. And hey, if you felt these effects in your own space, comment below with what's worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, because your home, your health, and your energy matter.